And I learnt probably the greatest lesson of my life. I remember sitting on a mountainside one day. I'd done a lot of work, a little bit of work with planting trees on eroded mountainsides. And of course the local sheep and goats had come and eaten them all off, and I was sitting there a bit depressed. And it seemed that a little voice seemed to say to me, to make whole, be whole. It depends what you're focused on. There are levels of consciousness. If your heart is light, if your heart is full of light, you see light, and everything that's in it is light. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, isn't it? If your eye is full of beauty, that's what you see.